Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaring mag-shift ng energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, nahulog na agad ang ating Eight of Wands at Hermit card. Okay, and this Queen of Swords. Ooh, wow. Ang bilis nito mga pangyayaring ito. Baka magulat ka sa mga pangyayaring ito na hindi mo inaasahan. Okay. Wow, Sun card. The happiest card. Oh, happiness. So, ayun, may mga magagandang pangyayaring magaganap dito na magkukos ng a lot of happiness sa iyong buhay. We also have here the Ace of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles. Oh, pera, pera, pera. Uy, uulan ng pera ngayon. Wow, claim, claim, claim natin yan. No? So, maraming mga opportunities paparating sa iyo. Matagal mong hinihintay mga opportunities na to na darating. Maaaring tungkol sa iyong finances, pera na hindi mo ine-expect. And we also have here this Four of Swords. Kasi ang tagal mo nag-me time eh. Ang tagal mo parang nagtago sa lungga, nag-hermit mode ka. Ayan. So, ngayon parang ready ka nang ipakita sa mundo kung ano ba yung kaya mong ibigay, kung ano ba yung kung ano ka, parang sige, pakita mo kung sino ka. Ganon. So, ready ka na ipakita kung sino ka talaga. Uy. Kaya talagang unexpected to mga mangyayaring ito na hindi mo talaga inaasahan na paparating na. Mari magulat ka na lang, someone is knocking on your door. Surprise! Parang ganon. So, tingnan natin signs and symbol cards. We have here Deep Well, Mirror card, Magnet. Oy, so may mga minamanifest ka dito na talaga namang money, money, money. Lots of money. Wow. Luck. And this perfume. Bottom card, snake. Oy, kaso mag-ingat lang sa mga snake ha. Ayan mga snake card. Ayan mga tao mapapanggap or maaaring linlangin ka ng mga ito para makuha nila yung dapat na para sa iyo. So, be careful sa mga ganyang klase ng tao. So, tingnan natin. Maaaring nagpapanggap yan na karamay mo, katuwang mo, kaibigan mo. Just be careful. Tingnan natin. I bury myself in work to forget you. Uy, may nagdadrama dito. I will wait for a sign from you. We don't know how hard it was to let you go. May nag-emote nga dito. Maaaring itong taong to yung kinalimutan mo na from the past. Kasi ang tagal mo nag-move on, ang tagal mo nagtago, nag-move on ka sa kanya, binigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo to move on. You speak to me through music. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. I feel you even though we are apart. I don't react when people mention you and it's time for me to heal now. Ayan, parehas kayo na kailangan nyo na talagang mag-heal from this connection para sa susunod na chapter, parehas kayong healed or kung kayo talaga para sa isa't isa, kailangan nyo pa rin talaga mag-move on, mag-heal from that connection na nag-cause ng a lot of chaos sa inyong life. I left you before you could leave me. Uy. So, tingnan natin sa tarot messages cards. So, maaaring unexpected reconciliation din with this person na magkakabati kayo. Parang hindi mo na in-expect na mangyayari yun, na magkakabati kayo ng taong yun. Letting you go, walking away. I'm a liar. I need to achieve my goals. You're my destiny. Powerful and disciplined. My intuition choose you. I will fight for you and I can't decide. Maaaring itong taon to undecided siya sa feelings niya sa'yo in the past. Tumakbo palayo. takot sa commitment, pero ngayon sinasabi niya rito, I want commitment with you. So, tingnan natin. Anong message ng archangels natin? Life Review by Archangel Jeremiel. Take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. And ito pang isa na hulog, Comfort by Archangel Azrael. I'm with you in your time of need, helping your heart to heal. Ayan no, it's about healing process. Tinutulungan ka ng ating mga spirit guides, ating mga archangels in this healing process na maaaring napagdaanan mo na. So, tingnan natin some initials. Kuha tayo ng initials dito. We have letter O and I. Q and G. Letter J. A. N. C. B. Bottom card natin, letter D. Oops. And tingnan natin, blue card tayo. Let's see, sa ating blue card, we have prophecy. So, kung ito yung mangyayari, mangyayari. The runner card, and addictions na naman to. Okay, mga obsessions, energy natin dyan, active na active sila. So, tingnan natin general signs and the messages. Overthinker. So, may mga nag-overthink malala. Flirtatious. National Capital Region. Birthmark. Smart. Chaser and Capricorn. September. Beautiful. Need more signs. Okay, shuffle pa tayo for more messages. Oops. Okay, so mga nahulog na cards natin. Uy, Twin Flame and Aries. Cold City, very serious. Number 10, Sexy Body, Practical, Fantastic Friend, Coins, and last card natin, Responsible. So, ayan. Oops, teka lang. Ayan, wala. Okay. Ayan. So, akala ko may nahulog pa eh. Ayan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.